it's been a long time. Uh, Sorry about it's my laptop camera, so I don't know. It's kind of not that good. Bear with me, okay? But I want to talk about a trade that I took, like a recap, basically a couple hours ago. I was trading London session. Right now it's what time is it right now? It's 6 a.m. EST. So let's get into it. So what I do, I first went on the 4 hours. So what I do, I break down the 4 hour, then I either the daily, the 4 hour, depending on how I'm feeling. But I break down the daily 4 hour, then I scope down to the hour, then I go to 30 minute, and then based on the 30 minute, I decide what I want to do, if I want to go down to the 5 minutes or not. And you feel me? But sometimes I mainly be training from the 30 minute, but I am recently transitioning over to the 5 minute because it is quicker. And sometimes on the 30 minute time frame, it feels like I'm just here like for like if I don't see a clear setup at that time, you feel me? Then I go to the 5 minute, and yeah, I explained that in another video. Like it's a lot to explain, but yeah, I went to the 4 hour. I see the little trend line here connected. Yeah, but that just to guide me in the direction where the market is going to break it down. And then I saw the breaker structure over here, but that's like if I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm just breaking the market down. I'm just breaking that down. So then I go down to the hour. So I see we got demand down here. You got a demand zone. The 30 minute shows it clearer though. The demand zone. Yeah, we got a little demand zone. I was initially, I don't know what happened there. Let me go to the 5 minute and show y'all, because it was a 5 minute trade, so I got to set up on the 5 minute, so you gonna see clearer. Alright, so you see the little trend line. I'm like, yeah, that's trend line rejection. But hold up, I did trade trend line also. But hold up, look over here real quick. Where is it? Yeah, even though it was a trend line rejection, I still had a supply zone right over here. So it was basically a supply plus the trend line. I mean, my supply zone's red, by the way. And then I put my stop loss above this above the candle, above the low, you feel me? Because sometimes it likes to target the wicks because it got liquidity. And yeah, so I made a trade right here, entered. Well, wait, I'm confusing myself. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. I got a little confused for a bit. My bad. But yeah, I basically I entered here, and my take profit was, at first it was down here. That was a 1 to 10. I'm like, I'm on a lot of drawdown right now. So I'm like, 1 to 6 ain't bad. Plus I had a demand zone, you feel me? I knew it was gonna be the demand zone, but what I did not know is if it would come down here, it could just form an inducement. You get what I'm saying? It could just form an inducement. An inducement is basically when instead of right before it reaches a demand, or it just changes direction back in the opposite way. So yeah, so sometimes I say you got a demand zone, right, or you got a F order block, so we're coming down to your demand zone, right, and then it didn't touch the demand zone, but it started shooting up in a buy position. You like, damn, it didn't even touch my zone. Like, it could be one of those. Then it comes back here because guess what? We got liquidity up here, so it could target back up there. Who knows? So I just came out at the zone. I came on the inside of the zone 1 to 6. That ain't bad. I'm chilling. But yeah, if you got any questions, ask in the comments. Yeah, I did cut my hair, by the way. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Yeah, that's about it for the video. Thanks for watching.